Hello everyone, I am Sandeep and today I will demonstrating how to handle and transform a dataset with a comma separated values in Power BI using the Power Query editor. Specifically, we will be working with this Excel sheet that will contain a list of hotel names, their price per day, and the amenities offered. Transforming and cleaning such data is crucial for creating an accurate, insightful dashboards. Handling comma separated values and converting them into a more structured format allows for better analysis and visualization. This process ensures that our data is clean, ready for advanced analytics, and making our dashboard more meaningful and easier to interpret. So let's take a look at our dataset. We have three columns. First is hotel name, second is price per day, and third is amenities. Third column amenities contain the multiple values separated by the commas, such as TV, air conditioner, private pool, long area, and Wi-Fi. So here to tackle this data, first we load this data into Power BI and use Power Query Editor to remove these commas. And we will, by removing this comma, we will make separate columns for every amenities. And after that, each column that was created by this each amenity, we will transform these columns to the rows using Unpivot feature. So let's jump to the Power BI.
So we are in the Power BI. So the given data is in our Excel file. So we import data from the Excel. So click on the import data from the Excel. We will see that the first is hotel data. We click on the open button. So click on the sheet 1. So we will see that there is the preview of the data set on which we have to work. So these are the three buttons. When we click on the load button, that will directly transform this data file into the Power BI. If you click on the transform data button, so this file is open into the Power Query editor, and we have to work in this Power Query editor. So we will directly click on the transform button. So this will move into the Power Query editor. So we are in the Power Query editor. So here we see that there are three columns: hotel name, price, day, and amenities. So here we have to make the different five columns from this third column, which is amenities. So select third column amenities, then click on the transform tab, and here we see this option split column. So click on this column, we see that the split column by delimiter, by number of characters, by positions, lowercase to uppercase, and so on. So first we understand what is meant by delimiter. So here in the third column we see that there are five values in the first row. All the values in the first row are separated by the comma, and here the comma is act as a delimiter. So means here the comma is a delimiter. So we will split this column by delimiter. So by click on the delimiter, so this split column function work as column separator by the delimiter, means it will make the separate columns for each delimiter. So first we select the delimiter. This shows the space, but we require comma delimiter. So click on the comma, and we here split at what? Leftmost delimiter, rightmost delimiter, or each occurrence of delimiter. So here we see that every value is separated by comma. So for each occurrence, we have to make the separate column for each value. So click on the each occurrence of the delimiter and click on OK. So by clicking on the OK, here we see that all the values are separated into the different columns. So after each comma, the split column function create the new column. So here we see that the split column function creates the five columns from the one column amenities. So here we see that in the first column, there is TV, launch area, private pool, and TV. So in the second column there are five values, but in third column we see that there is a null value. In the fourth column also we see that there are multiple null values. This shows that there is no value in this for the particular row. So here we convert these five columns into the rows using the unpivot function. So first we select the five columns which are all of amenities. Click on the right button of the mouse, and we see that the unpivot column, you have to select this function. As soon as you click on this unpivot column, all the five columns are converted into the rows. So we click on the unpivot columns, you see that the data is converted into the rows. And here we see that first column is hotel name. So here we know that there are five hotels: Hotel A, Hotel B, Hotel C, Hotel D, and Hotel E. But they are repeated multiple times because for each hotel, how many amenities are there? So in the Hotel A, there are five amenities. So the Hotel A name is repeated for five times. Similarly, Hotel B has three amenities. So this hotel name B is repeated for three times. So by reducing the column, we get the more number of rows. So this third column, which is attribute, which is of no use, so we will delete this or remove these columns from dataset. So click on the right button, click on the remove option. So this will remove the third column. So here we have the dataset, hotel name, price per day, and the values. So move to the home tab, and click on the close and apply button. First, before clicking on the close and apply button, we first change the name of the header of this column, which is amenities. So here we get the third column as amenities. So click on the close and apply button. So this will transform the whole data into the Power BI. So we successfully load the data in the Power BI. So here in this sheet, we see that there are amenities, hotel name, and the price per day. So in this way, you can convert the comma separated values in the same column into the rows.
So see the table view, hotel A, hotel names, price per day, and their amenities. So if you want to visualize this data, so you can select the slicers. Suppose you select the slicer, then you choose the amenities here. So there are only five amenities. You will see that there are only five amenities in the slicer. So select the column chart and select the hotel name and their price per day. So here we see that this is a column chart. On the x-axis there are hotel names, and the y-axis there is a price per day. So if anyone want to select the hotels which are on the air conditioner, then you can select the amenities air conditioner. Then this will changes according to the slicer. So this shows the how many hotels are there which contain the air conditioner. Similarly, you want to see that how many hotels they have Wi-Fi. So click on the Wi-Fi. You will see that there are four hotels out of the five hotels there, which shows there are Wi-Fi in their hotels. In this way, you can select the multiple show me the hotels which have Wi-Fi and TV. Then they will filter out such columns. Only we see that there are all five hotels which have TV and Wi-Fi also. So in this way, you can filter out this data. So if you want to see in the tabular form, you can also use the matrix or the table. So select the matrix. You can see select the hotel names. First we increase the slice. You increase the slice of size of our. So this is the hotel names, and select the amenities. You will see that when you click on the plus button, you will see that which hotel has which amenities. You can select this and expand into entire level, or you can use this layout and tabular form. You will see that this will shows the amenities for your respective hotels. So in this way, you can visualize this data. So the conclusion is that by cleaning and transforming our data, we can create a more powerful and insightful dashboards. Handling the comma separated values and using the unpivot feature enables us to analyze the specific amenities across different hotels easily. This approach leads to better decision making and more effective data presentation. Thank you for watching this demonstration. I hope this guide helps you to manage and transform your data effectively in Power BI. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask.